Ryan decided to leave the house without a jacket. I'm at the hospital. We're gonna be induced. Guys, welcome back to another vlog. Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I am in the kitchen making French toast. My day is starting off really nice. It's the start of a new week. If you're new here, I am SK, by the way. Thanks for clicking on today's vlog. So I'm here making French toast because I got up with a craving and I'm like, we're making French toast today. So this is my version of French toast, so don't judge my French toast. This is how I like it, and this is how I'm gonna eat it, okay? So yeah, that's what's on the menu for today. My friend of mine was telling me that the best bread to use for French toast is actually brioche bread, French bread. But I don't have French bread, I just have normal like 50-50 bread, which is half wheat, half white. Yeah, so that's what I'm using for today's French toast. But anyhow, I'll show you guys the finishing when I'm done. All right, please make sure before you continue watching the video, give the video a thumbs up. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and drop me a comment down below. What did you guys have for breakfast this morning as you're watching this vlog? Let me know in the comments. Good morning to my Ravi. Good morning to you. Mommy's making French toast. He just woke up, y'all. You want French toast? Look. Yeah? You want some? You can touch it? It's not ready. Go change your nappy. Go, Dada. Go. Go by Dada. Go change your nappy. Let me continue making my breakfast. Go, Dada. Go change your nappy. So guys, this is what my breakfast looks like. Egg, bacon, and French toast. I'm gonna put some of this. Y'all remember buy this maple syrup, and I told you guys it's so good, from Clark's. Did you guys know that Clark was my surname? Who knew? My maiden name. And I've got some here for River as well. I'll put a little bit of syrup on for him. I don't normally give him syrup like when he eats pancakes and stuff. On this occasion I have to. And I'm gonna put a bit of whipped cream on mine. Don't think River need whipped cream. And I've got my hot chocolate here. Sean decided he wanted coffee, so I just made myself a hot chocolate with my marshmallow. Oh my gosh, I have whipped cream. Sean put on my hot chocolate. Look how I forget to put my whipped cream. Ooh, yes. All right. Oh gosh. So anyways, y'all, you see I changed because I was like, I'm going on the road later and I didn't want to smell like egg and bacon and stuff, so I changed my top. I just put on this vest. So yeah, I'm gonna go and make my I'm gonna go eat my breakfast now. Sean, you ever had French toast? I ever make French toast for you? Oh. Anyways, yeah, we're gonna go have our breakfast and check back in with you guys in a bit. Guys, by the looks of it, right, y'all, see this scene? It says actually the next day I'm at the hospital. Yes, it's the next day. I actually didn't go on the road yesterday since I had breakfast. We kind of just had a chill day. We actually were really tired because River decided to wake up and he did not want to go back to sleep. River be having some for the past week or two. River been getting up like 4 in the morning. Don't ask me why, but that's his thing, and he wants to play and all of that stuff. And it's like, it's sleep time. Okay, so yeah, we had a scan. Everything looks okay with baby, still big baby. Obviously because I told you guys a few days ago, so there's not much changes and stuff. I think the most exciting thing is that we're gonna be induced. Maybe an induction is not so exciting, but it's because I'm just so ready. I'm so over this pregnancy right now. with all the scans and appointments, and so I'm glad. So I will be getting my induction date sometime later down in the week, which I'm so excited about. So yeah, and I can get to meet my princess sooner than later. So excited about that, y'all. You have no idea. I've never ever had, this is my first high risk pregnancy, and I'm so glad it's gonna be my last pregnancy, because I never ever want to go through this again in life. I just don't. It's just tiring, it's stressful, everything. So yeah, I'm waiting for Sean. He's in there in the changing room. He's changing River's diaper, and then we're gonna go get something to eat. We need to go and get the crib. Remember I told you guys when I went to Smith, I said I was gonna go home, show Sean, see what he thinks. So we're gonna get the bedside cot. So we might go there today and pick that up, but we'll see. Anyways, but yeah, we're gonna leave the hospital now and grab some lunch because it's lunchtime. Baby did not behave today, by the way. The scan took forever because she was not in position at all. So yeah, I'll see you guys I think we're gonna go get Chinese for lunch or something. I don't know, but we'll see. What's going on here? Guys, this is the spot for our lunch. Still hidden looking area. What's the name? Comey's. Is it Comey's or Comey's? Comey's Bar and Grill, Caribbean Grill. Strapping River back in because he's passed out, as you can see. Oh gosh, let's go inside. Okay, it's nice and warm in here. Oh, and here's a vibe. Looks nice. I like suede seats and everything. Hi, I like. Yeah.
It's funny the foot.
Oh, I didn't see it.
Yeah.
Oh, here he is. He can stay here.
Let me know when you're ready to come out of here.
Okay, thank you. Here is the menu. Isi goat head, meat, pepper soup, pounded yam. This is like an African. Oh, we looking at the. Oh, there's an African menu, baby. Egusi. Guys, so there's an African menu as well. Jollof rice. Sides. I want Jamaican food though. Oxtail. Okay, I might do jerk chicken, babe.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna get jerk chicken. What is it? Served with rice and peas or white rice?
Alright.
I want a fried dumpling with mine. So guys, the food is here. This is my jerk chicken. Got some nice gravy on there. I should have fried dumplings coming because I can't eat the rice. Oh, that's fine. Thank you. Here they are. Oh gosh, nice. And this is Sean's. He's having oxtail, right?
Yeah.
Oxtail. Oh, this looks nice. For dumpling, nice, babe. Give it up. If you're not interested, babe. If you don't want any? Oh yeah, and try mine. It's nice. Anyways, I'm gonna go enjoy my meal and we'll catch up after we eat. All right? Okay. Guys, we are all done. Come, Riv. Come. Look at him. Come on, Rivy. You got that, babe? Let's go to the car. Yeah, my big man. Y'all outside cold today. It is so cold. It's windy. But this is a nice little... Oh, Rivy, you're on this side. Come. Wait, let me get in this car. Hold on. Ooh.
This wind is crazy.
It isn't. You decide not to wear a jacket.
Yeah?
You say you the one decide not to wear a jacket.
Yeah, because I go from PR to...
Wi-Fi.
It wasn't
to PR, I mean, I say it wasn't that cold outside, but this wind. Would have been okay if it wasn't for this wind.
Yeah, it's true. We're gonna head home now. Really enjoy that food. They said they've been here for 8 years, so we're still in Oxford.
Wi-Fi connected.
All right, we're still in Oxford. So we were actually gonna go to eat Chinese, and then Kashan said he wants some nice food. It's so hard to find like a really nice restaurant, and we didn't want to go to like a pub. You know, we didn't really feel like British food, like we want like, I don't know. So then we're like, oh, let's go to Chinese. And then the restaurant that we found, you couldn't go in there. Alright, we couldn't go sit down in there. The cat sit on that chair, he cooling up. Now you decide to leave the house without a jacket.
That's to the wind, man, the windy.
Yeah. Yeah, so then I said, Sean, what he said, alright, let's go to, what you say? McDonald's, because the Chinese would find there was no parking. And then while we were headed there, I said, well, Sean, look up, see if you can find a Jamaican restaurant. And he's like, not gonna find that over on these sides. And there was a few, and we found this one, park up. You never know, Jamaicans, we everywhere. You should know that, Sean. So anyways, y'all, we are heading home. This might be our last little lunchtime together, because we're not coming back last one, Sean. No more appointments. Anyways, y'all, I'll catch you guys in a bit. We're going home. Why is this marking my home as a hospital? My destination, home to the hospital. Guys, I just got home, actually. It's dark outside already. I'm just about to go and fix myself up some desserts, chocolate muffin and vanilla ice cream. That's what I'm gonna have for my dessert. Baby, you want half a muffin? Oh, okay. Sean don't want half of my muffin. I can't. This is such a big muffin though. I can't eat the whole muffin. So I'm just gonna have half because I'm gonna microwave it. I like all these chocolate pieces to be melted. I don't really like to eat chocolate. I like chocolate cake and stuff, but I prefer if it's hot and the icing like kind of melty and stuff. That's how I prefer it. But I don't know, guys, I am feeling so good. I don't know if it's because like I'm gonna get my induction date, which is so super exciting. Like, I don't know, I'm excited about that. I can't tell you how excited I am. I feel like today's scan was a bit more positive. It's like getting bad news after bad news, and then finally it's like you're gonna have her soon. So that's why I'm so happy. And actually that's my last appointment at that hospital as well. It's the final appointment. The next time they actually see me is when I'm having the baby. I guess that's what makes it like, wow, all these appointments. See, it's like nicely melted now. Yeah, all these appointments, and then finally there's no more. The next time they see me, the only thing is that like with the induction, it seemed really long. I don't know if any of you guys have ever been like induced, but if you have, you can comment down below and tell me how that was for you, how long that was for you, because it'd be interesting to know, because I don't know how long it is. They say it could be a few hours, it could be a day or longer. It depends on your body, it depends on the person. So it'd be interesting. So if you guys have ever, if any of you who's watching been induced before, let me know how long it was for you. How long was the process, like from the moment you got to the hospital to when you got your baby? Was it 2 hours, 3 hours, 5 hours, a whole day? Like, let me know. Yeah, because I would like to know that. I've never been induced before, so I don't know. In my mind, it's like a long process of just like waiting. And you know, I'm not accustomed to waiting, because when I go into labor, my children, boom, born quick, which is what I love. But unfortunately, I can't do that in this occasion. I have to get induced. So yeah, the only thing I'm happy about is like I'm not going to have to wait, because you know, like the first time ShéKayla, she was 5 days overdue, River was 2 days overdue. It's like this time I know like that's not gonna happen. So either way, when I get induced, when I have the baby that day, I know within 2 days she's gonna be here at least. So that in itself is exciting, and I have a date to look forward to soon. But I'll keep you guys in the loop, obviously, let you guys know. I think that's gonna be it for today's vlog. Oh my gosh, this says soft scoop ice cream, but it's so hard. Like, I don't know why it's so hard. Let me say soft scoop. What kind of freezer I have that hardened up the soft scoop like this, and I just open it. It wasn't open before. It's a new ice cream. What? This is us, y'all. Just getting the whipped cream. Whipped cream on that. That's dessert. have my spoon, and now I'm going to go and enjoy my dessert. Sean is outside on the couch. I'm gonna go cuddle up next to him, chill out a little bit, have my dessert, and I will check back in with you guys maybe in the next vlog. I don't know if I'm going to continue this vlog. If I'm going to continue this vlog, see you tomorrow. If not, thank you so much for making it to the very end of this video. Love you guys as always. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Love you guys as always. Goodbye.